Welcome back to another poppin' warm-up. Guys, my name is Ceech, and every Monday I'm out here in San Jose, California, USA, at the Get Down. So, this is our poppin' warm-up. Before my class, we do warm-up, right? We warm up our legs. You can check it out right here. The legs are snapping back. The arms, the elbows, the wrists, the shoulders, everything, okay? So if you get the chest going. So why is this important, guys? If you are a popper, or if you want to be a popper, you got to drill. You got to do these warm-up. Guys, this is like if you're an athlete, you know, and you're saying that you want to be an athlete, you need to train. You need to train your muscle. You need to do weightlift and all that stuff. You need to jog. You need to do all that stuff. So this is like the bread and butter for poppers. You need to get your muscles. You need to react. You need to get those fast twitch muscles to go. Okay. So I'm doing this to get the popper started, and even if you're if you have been popping intermediate popper, advanced popper, you guys know what you're doing. So feel free to join me if you want to. But everybody has their own way of just warm them up. You know, getting your balance better right here. We got the legs up, so you're popping on one leg. Guys, for the beginning poppers, this is very, very important because usually people don't really work on their balance. The simple stuff of working on the balance. And obviously, be on beat, get the powers in. For my advanced poppers, you can work on, like I said, you can work on the chest, you know, get the neck popping, get the abs and all that stuff. But the basics, for the beginners right here, we gotta focus on popping the legs, all right, and popping the arms. Those are super important. And towards the end, you guys are gonna see me a little bit do some rolls. Okay, we're doing and one, pop, 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 pop. So I'm not gonna talk all over too much, but this entire video is about 7 minutes long. So a 7-minute, 10-minute, whatever, it's a great way to get your day started or get your popping day started, get you warm up. So feel free to jump back to this video and warm up with me. All right, guys, having said that, once again, my name is Ceech. I'm gonna post every week, and pop-in is part of it too. So if you enjoy this, definitely hit the like button. It helps out more than you know. So go ahead and do that and hit the subscribe because like I said, every week, almost every day now, I've been posting up stuff, you know, some popping and some other breakdown, hip hop breakdown. So if you love this part, if you love being part of this community, I would love to have you, and definitely drop in the comments below. Let me know who you are. Love to connect, whether you're here in the Bay Area or somewhere else in the world. We want to try to build a dancing community because I believe dancers are a few of the best peoples in the world. So, having said that, guys, hope you guys enjoy the rest of the poppin' video, poppin' warm up, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, peace. I'm out.